Let's take a look at this security safe from OneTigris. Opening it up, looks like we've got a package here. This has some cables, looks like some security cables for maybe securing the safe. And then a charging cable, USB-C, and a microfiber cloth, probably for cleaning. Got another box here. Oh, this one has some keys and some screws. Got the quick start guide, the complete manual, and a card with some information. And we'll pull off this first piece of foam. We got the sleek looking box here. Very nice. Go ahead and pull that out of the box and set it down here. And after going through the quick start guide, it says you take the keys from the pouch, and there's also a SIM card tool in here that we'll be using, and you push down to expose the key slot here, and that allows you to open the safe with a key as a hardware backup. Oh, nice. On the inside, we've got the OneTigris, got some foam, and inside the back cover here, you're going to insert the batteries, and then you have a point here on the inside that you can use to reset the biometrics, and then this becomes a biometric safe with one touch opens it, one touch access. Very nice safe. We'll insert the batteries and get it up and running. Looking forward to using this one. I want to thank OneTigris for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.